So you're interested in an energy audit? Great! There's no better way to help you understand where there are opportunities for savings and how to take advantage of them. The first thing you need to do is find the right contractor. You want a professionally accredited home performance contractor. They're the energy experts. For $300 to $500, these professionals thoroughly evaluate your home's efficiency, including looking at areas like crawl spaces and attics that can be difficult to access. The process takes anywhere from 4 to 8 hours, depending on the size of your home. At the end of the audit, the contractor will provide a detailed report that explains their findings. It will include a list of things that you can do to increase your home's efficiency, along with the cost of each improvement. So what happens in an audit? The first thing auditors typically do is to make sure your gas appliances aren't leaking carbon monoxide. Then they'll run a stress test on your heating and cooling system. Heating and cooling accounts for about half of the energy you use at home, so it's important to check your system's efficiency. They measure your home so they can make calculations about its efficiency. They go to every corner of the house, inside and out, to look for areas where energy is being wasted. Most assessments include a blower door test. A major opportunity to save energy is to address air leakage, air seeping into and out of the home. We want to slow this airflow down to a normal air exchange. If your home has a lot of air leakage, you're paying to heat and cool air that immediately gets sent outside, only to be replaced by new air coming in that you pay again to heat and cool. Not efficient, not comfortable, and not a good use of your money. An auditor uses a blower door to find out how quickly your home is cycling air in and out. Many professionals also use an infrared camera to look behind walls to find places where energy is escaping. The energy loss shows up as heat. The imaging shows you how temperatures vary from place to place, such as between walls and the ceiling, attic hatches and the ceiling, and around recessed lights. This makes it possible to find and seal air leaks, otherwise invisible to the naked eye, and make your home much more efficient and comfortable. You may also see them use a smoke puffer, which also helps them locate those air leaks. The auditors will ask you questions about your comfort in your home and analyze your utility bills. If you're not ready yet for a professional home audit, you can do a self-assessment. See our website for how. Or you can do an online energy assessment, such as this one from the Virginia Energy Sense program. In about 5 minutes, you can get a better sense of your home's energy use and find ways to save. Thanks for watching. We hope you feel inspired to get started saving today.